Good morning, this is Micah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. This morning I'm going to show you our 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This unit has 41,000 miles. It's a very clean, nice unit. This unit also has the power ramp, power door, controlled by a remote here. Also has a swivel seat and hand controls. I hit this button twice. Door automatically opens, ramp will follow it. This does have the kneel system, which allows the van to actually slope down on the passenger side for you, so the slope isn't nearly as drastic, putting the wheelchair in and out. This is a 56-inch entryway, 58-inch height here. It does have the swivel seat in the driver, and the passenger seat can be removed out to make an easy transfer. Okay, I have the swivel seat moved just a little bit. You can see how that seat turns for you to make an easy transfer from the wheelchair to the driver's seat. The seat is controlled right here on the right side of the driver's seat. And this switch here is for raising and lowering the seat. Again, it does have the hand controls already in place. Inside the van, the carpet in the van is in very good condition, very little staining. This back seat is definitely not been used too much. Back of the front seat's in good condition. Headliner is in really good condition. It does have the rear heat and air controls. If I can get it to focus there. Back outside. I'm going to close the ramp up, press that button twice. It's a real smooth operation. Next thing I want to show you is a feature I actually just found out on this van this morning. I'm going to lock it twice, or excuse me, I'm going to lock the van up. This has a remote start. Just like that, your van is running, so it's going to be cool when you get in, more nice and warm during the winter. It does have the privacy glass, which helps out tremendously during the summer months. Okay, I've turned off the remote start so we can do a quick walk around of the van. Again, this is a 2005. It's not going to be perfect, but it is in a really good condition. We're going to walk around, show you the van. Excuse me. We do these walk around videos for our out-of-state customers. When you get this van delivered to your door, we want you to get exactly what you see and no surprises. If there's a part of this video that you'd like to see more of a certain area of the van, please feel free to call us and let us know. We can get more pictures of an area. Paint blemish there. We can get more pictures of an area. We can focus on something. It does have the roof rack that you might want to see more of. Again, the van is not brand new. We make it as smooth as possible, letting you know anything that we might see. We've got a few spots on the van that need the touch-up paint. We did not do that yet, because when you get the van, we don't want you thinking we are covering anything up. Very clean. Overall, the paint is in real good condition. Alright, the back of it does come with a spare tire. Again, just a nice shot of the headliner again. Okay, inside the van, again, it does have the hand controls along with the swivel seat. We're going to start the van. Fires right up. And we start this like this because we want you to see that all the lights on the dash work. What we're looking for is for all the lights on the dash to go off. The only light on is the seat belt light right there. If these lights are jumping here, the mileage and the gear, whatever, if that's jumping, I do apologize. I don't know why it does that, but it does do that on video. It is not jumping in real life. We're going to test the power mirror, left, right, down, up, right, left, down, up. Passenger window works. Driver's side window works. Of course, we've got a radio, good song, and the AC. Everything works as it should in this van. Let's take a look under the hood real quick. Okay, under the hood, you can hear it running. No squeals, no ticks. Van has been well taken care of. Gonna jump underneath it. And folks, this is what these videos are for. This is to show you top to bottom of the van. If someone you are looking at purchasing a van from, if they can't take a few minutes to crawl under the van, then do you really trust buying from somebody that can't take 5-10 minutes out of their day to make a quick video like this here? Okay, we're going to go on the test drive portion of the video. What we're about to do is we're going to get this up to highway speeds, show you that the transmission shifts as it should. Not a lot of shaking in the steering wheel. Give it some gas. People don't like to be outdone by a mobility van on the highway. We're at 70 miles an hour. I'm going to slow down. I am in a 60 mile an hour zone. What you see is the steering wheel is not moving. My hand is off of it. We're going to turn our cruise on. Set it. Van's holding at about 62-63 miles an hour. Van drives very smooth. You're not hearing any rattling back there from the ramp. No loud clunks. I'm going to come up here on the exit. We're going to give it a hard brake as long as it's safe behind me. Hard brake. Steering wheel doesn't shimmy. Folks, again, this is a 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan SC with 41,775 miles. Power ramp, power door, swivel seat with hand controls. We are Affordable Mobility Solutions. Our website is mobility316.com. This is when I like to remind folks we have a 100% satisfaction rating with the Better Business Bureau. We've got over 450 positive feedbacks off eBay and not a single negative. We take care of our customers. If there's anything we can do to show you any more on this van, please let us know. Maybe more pictures, maybe more video of a certain area. We do not mind taking the extra 5 minutes. If we can do anything for you, let us know. Again, you can see all of our inventory at mobility316.com, or feel free to give us a call, 316-262-8267. If you'd like to come in and see any of our inventory, please do give us a call. We are a small business. We don't want to miss you if you come by. We don't want to disrespect your time. Give us a call at 316-262-VANS. Again, that is 316 262-8267. Thank you.